Good morning, everyone. It's an honor to be here today and to showcase some of the really cool work by our teams. You probably have seen the fascinating AI experiences shared from Mark's and Ahmed's keynotes. My name is Han. I'm a research scientist for the GenAI organization here at Meta. Together with Yasha, we'll walk you through some of the technology that we develop and use in our AIs. Meta AI is our most advanced LLM-powered AI assistant. It offers a natural texting experience like chatting with a friend, assisting you with many daily tasks, and is equipped with powerful plugins. It builds upon the Llama foundation and has evolved and expanded its capabilities and making it a super intelligent reasoning engine. Just to give you a rough idea about the user experience, on the left-hand side here, you can see an example of talking to Meta AI in a one-on-one setting. When you ask Meta AI the question, you will get a high-quality and yet conversational response back. On the right-hand side here, you can see that Meta AI can actually be invoked in a conversation with a mention. Imagine how fun it would be to talk to a bunch of friends and use Meta AI to come up with new ideas. Meta AI is shown to be competitive in core assistant capabilities, which we also call helpfulness. Our user research has found that users really appreciate the conversational and engaging style from Meta AI. This Meta AI model can also improve its capability continuously and provide a better user experience over time. Additionally, Meta AI has up-to-date knowledge thanks to the integration with our search plugin, which make it very different from other conversational AI that's available today. So, how did we achieve this? The first key idea is that we combine the use of our conversational training data and a technique called reinforcement learning from human feedback. In this way, we can adjust our Llama models to the style that our product needs, providing an engaging and conversational chatting experience with our users. Meta AI is also much more concise, which is about 60% shorter in the response length compared with our Llama 2 models. Most users really appreciate the short response from Meta AI, especially on mobile interfaces. But our models can still provide a much longer response if our users ask for more details. The model behind Meta AI has a much larger context window, which is about 4 times larger than the model that we released in July. This is crucial for AIs that offer a persistent chat experience. You can imagine that when Meta AI is invoked in a group chat, the user's conversations can easily extend to tens or hundreds of conversation turns over the course of a few days. Reinforcement learning from human feedback is a popular technique that we use to align model behaviors and human preferences. However, traditional RLHF is based on human annotations, so it is often constrained by the human annotation capacity. To tackle this challenge, we bring our AIs directly to our consumer interfaces, naturally forming the data flywheel. A better model can provide a better user experience and leading to even better models down the road. So this brings to us our second key idea. We developed a new fine-tuning paradigm, which we call reinforcement learning from user feedback, aka RLUF. This enables us to optimize our large language models directly against the tasks that our users truly care about and align better with their preferences. This technique can help us reduce the potential misalignment of our consumer preferences. By combining with the data flywheel, this system can enable a higher scalability and help us train and leverage much more training data from our product surfaces. Compared with the existing paradigms that mainly achieve alignment through human annotations and self-critique-based methods, RLUF is able to further combine the usage of human annotations and user preference data. And of course, prior to using this data in training our models, We remove meta account identifiers and also take other steps to prevent models from outputting private information about private individuals. Now, let's move on to our third idea. For questions that are related to recent events, many of you might have seen the following response from a traditional LLM before. I apologize, but I am a large language model, and I don't have up-to-date information. Now, Meta AI can actually help you substantially improve this type of experience with our search plugin. Features like search are unique to Meta AI and made possible through a system called the orchestrator, which we will talk more about in the next slide. The search plugin enables the large language model to have up-to-date knowledge. This not only helps the model answer questions that are past the model training cutoff, but in general also helps the model avoid hallucinations. We find that the search plugins can really improve the quality and the helpfulness of many of our prompts back to the users. And in terms of the experience, you can take a look at the example on the screen. When the search plugin is used, in addition to getting a text response from Meta AI, users can also get reference links to the source websites themselves. So in this case, if the users want to get more information about the website or like validate some of the information, they're able to do so. And if the users are interested in seeing more related search results, we will also be able to provide a link back to the search engine. To enable a seamless experience with our plugins, we developed the orchestrator system. This system looks at the context and the conversation to automatically determine the usage of plugins in a conversation turn. We have a combination of large language models that work together to understand which plugins are relevant, as well as how to rewrite a multi-turn conversation into a search query. After that, our model will combine the context and the API responses to generate an enriched response and send it back to our users. And this way, our users don't need to worry about specifying any plugins and can always enjoy the benefits of our ever-growing plugin ecosystem. And that's it for my talk. And coming up next, we will be talking about the really cool work in AI characters. Let's welcome Yashar to the stage.
Good morning, everyone. Now that Han talked about our Meta AI assistant, I'm going to share the journey of building and scaling our AI characters, the ones that you see in our platform today with the power of Llama models. I'm Yashar, an engineering manager in the generative AI organization at Meta. I'm very excited to walk you through the journey of a unique experience of bringing Lorena, our beloved travel AI, to life with the power of AI Studio tools, model training and tuning, and reinforcement learning. Prompt engineering is a very important and crucial step in building AIs, as it enables any type of customization of the responding, ensuring that they are aligned with the way that the characters are designed, and also they demonstrate the personality trait and provide natural and engaging conversations we are expecting from them. For example, you can see on screen a very simple prompt template for Lorena. In order to scale and optimize this process and design exactly for scale, we have developed AI Studio that helps us to create, test, manage, benchmark, and debug AI characters. This AI ASL Studio was designed to be used by many teams and functions in the company that work on AI agents work stream. Once you are done with your prompt template, you just click on a Start Chat and start having a conversation with your AI. And ask about where to go with your family next. Or plan a 5-day activity when you are on a trip. Fun, isn't it? In addition, the AI Studio is used for release management. The crucial bridge for an AI character from prompts all the way to the journey of coming to the users. The intuitive user interface makes it easy to manage all this process flawlessly, very safely, reliably releasing characters from internal testing all the way to external releases, and enabling this gradual rollout and automated rollback if needed. This AI Studio helped us to go from one AI to many AIs you see in our platform today. Llama models, the technology behind AIs, is amazing in assisting our users and us with various daily tasks. However, when it comes to engagement, entertainment, natural conversations, and behaviors we expect from AIs, it takes more than Llama and a prompt to get there. Let's go back to our friend Lorena. Lorena is a knowledgeable and personable travel enthusiast that holds a natural and engaging conversation with you. She asks insightful questions and provides diverse perspective. For example, are you adventurous, like me? Or, if you prefer urban energy, or a very relaxing beach vacation? And she creates a very friendly and approachable atmosphere for our users that makes you feel like you're talking to your travel-savvy pal. As I mentioned, it takes more than a prompt and Llama models to achieve these capabilities. Let me share with you in a glance what have been done on LLMs to achieve where we are with our AIs today. First, foundation models. AI characters in product, and especially in product applications, they usually have long system prompts. The existing Llama models are leveraging a context window of length of 4K. We continuously pre-train the LLM models to 16K and 32K long context window to bring this capability to LLMs, which demonstrates a state-of-the-art performance on several benchmarks. Next, you guessed it right, fine-tuning. Right? It's a very natural and important step to develop these characteristics for all our AIs. But not only fine-tuning, it's about data with the right quality. The data was created using techniques such as rejection sampling, preference data, the data that was designed and crafted to show exactly the behaviors that we wanted for characters and their tones, as well as safety-specific data. Data sources were precisely selected, balanced, and created and used for fine-tuning our AI character models. We also collected a large number of human preference data. Why? Because based on the guidelines that we wanted to demonstrate the behaviors that the characters were designed for, natural, engaging, and fun conversations. The data has been used with an improved proximal policy optimization, often called PPO, with an improved recipe, taking advantage of data mixing, hyperparameter tuning, and multiple iterations. Achieving tens of rounds of training, fine-tuning, and RLHF to optimize for engaging conversations would have not been possible without the right set of evaluation metrics, scalable evaluation strategy, going from manual all the way to automated evaluation, and learning from each iteration and applying the knowledge to the next iteration. This process, from prompts to models, resulted in Lorena and many other AIs that we have currently available on our platform and you can use and engage with. I would like to present, we can go to last slide here. I would like to present 5 noteworthy insights that I believe you will find valuable. Previous slide. 1, data generation. Synthetically generated data is cost-effective and very quick way to improve the model performance if done right. 2, data quality. Data cleaning, balancing, and sampling is a key step in all iterations. 3, overfitting. The risk of overfitting is something that you have to be very mindful about. It's very easy to overfit your reward model, and you regress the quality of your model if you don't watch that very closely. 4, right evaluation, metrics, and a strategy. And last but not least is an iterative process. Learning from each step, apply the learning to the next iteration, and move fast. As we conclude our journey from AI models, from prompts and Llama models, to all the AIs that you see today, I'm very, very excited about the future that we are building with all AIs. And I'm very excited to all the advancements we are bringing towards all their capabilities. We learn and grow through your experience. Please use our products and share your feedback with us. And don't forget to scan this QR code and watch closely the future we are crafting. Thank you.